Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to send a View Once photo on WhatsApp step by step. It's super easy, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to send disappearing photos like a pro. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. This works for both iPhone and Android. Next, tap on the chat where you'd like to send the photo. This could be a friend, a group, or anyone you're chatting with. Now tap the paperclip icon if you're on Android or the plus icon if you're on iPhone. From here, you can either take a new photo instantly or choose one from your gallery. Before you hit send, look at the bottom right corner. You'll see a small circle with the number 1 inside it. Tap on this to turn on the View Once setting. Once enabled, the photo will disappear after the person views it one time. Finally, press send, and that's it. Your photo will be delivered with the View Once feature activated. So that's how you send View Once photos in WhatsApp. It's perfect for private moments or sensitive information. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and let me know in the comments and what other WhatsApp tips you'd like to see.